at the track as the high-performance bargain of the year.
Oh 2020 Shelby GT500 right here. See? Oh. All right, so we have Tawfiq, the manager, jacking up the car right now, and we're gonna get started on the Army Trix exhaust. As you guys can see, we have their whole catback system with the X pipe, and it looks very good. So we're gonna install the system. The stock exhaust, you guys know, it's already pretty quiet. So we're gonna see how this system does, and obviously Tawfiq should expect a pretty significant bit. All right, guys, so first things first, we want to lubricate all the stuff that we're loosening, which is like the bolts that connect the exhaust. So we gotta do the hangers. Well, the hangers are gonna be a bitch. Where?
Right there. It's in there, right there.
Right there? Yeah, right there, you got it.
And then you got those two right there.
That, right?
Yeah, and then there's one more from last time. Ignore that. Alright, so we want to show you guys the removal of the X pipe, the muffler and everything, but it wouldn't be really clear. It's basic. If you'd like to watch a YouTube video on how to take off the stock exhaust, it's pretty simple. But we're just gonna take it off for the purpose of making this video faster.
So pretty much what Tawfiq's trying to say. I was kidding. Like I said, guys, we described it before. We're just taking off the catback exhaust portion, and it's just a bunch of bolts. Make sure you guys have a socket set, handy, penetrating fluid, and you guys will be set to go. And we'll give you guys some updates on the process as we do it. God damn. All right, guys, so you guys heard the sound clip with the catback off and the resonator. Well, you had an X-pipe resonator.
Yeah, I had the X pipe on.
So now we go into the full system. Obviously, the mufflers on that setup are a lot different. These are resonated a lot better, so we're obviously going to get a better tone. So we're going to put on the X-pipe first with the gaskets, the supplied gaskets, and that should be easy. So let's get to it.
50%, barely.
Let me see. Oh, you're good. All right, guys, so we finished the Army Trix install of the catback exhaust. We did the X-pipe and then the catback, the mufflers. You guys know it's pretty simple for the most part. Like I said, you just want to have good basic hand tools. We're not gonna put the tips on quite yet, but it's loud. Boy, that's just hella loud. Oh my god. Yo, that shit sounds good.
Whoa, bro, it's like very,
Yeah, it has good tone. Has a good tone.
Life, you can feel it.
Yeah, it has good tone. Bro, that shit sounds good. It's gonna have perfect tone.
Perfect.
Exhaust, guys, it sounds really good. Shit. That's like 1,000, right? Wait, dude, three. Oh my god! Shit. Got the new exhaust installed. First impression, it's loud. It's very loud.
Like, for an X pipe and just a muffler, I can't explain it. It's louder than a straight pipe, I believe.
It has good tone and it's just as loud, I think, personally. Like,
yeah. Our first rip.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I know. Oh, just that should go. That's just crazy.
It's loud.
It sounds good. It has good tone.
Yeah,
it sounds good tone.
Loud.
Oh! Go straight. It's just hella loud. Oh my god, that shit's crazy.
Yo, did you hear that?
I heard that.
Oh shit. later, bye. Alex.
Go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. It's like, I can't describe it. It
has a good tone.
Really good tone.
Yeah.
It's like very deep, but I wouldn't say muscle car-ish.
It's like high pitched but not raspy. That shit sounds good. All right, guys, so we got the Yodis, and we also got a 5th gen Camaro right there. We got the 2020 Shelby GT500 right here with the front end. It's a rep, obviously, but this is things 5.0, 10 speed.
You want to check out the Whipple Supercharger?
Hell yeah. She got the intake on and everything.
Louder. Did you put it on backwards? That's what I'm saying.
I think you put that shit on backwards. Drop the bolt or washer.
We're gonna wash it. Twist it. It's gonna come out. Watch out. Move.
Okay. Don't move it. Let me see.
Let me find out, bro. We just
Yeah, throttle body side. You put it on the wrong side. Yogi, you put it on the manifold. It's supposed to go that way.
this way, right?
Yeah, throttle body.
I can't imagine
not gonna
that
make
it
a
would
fucking
make a
difference.
big
It will.
ass
It will.
difference.
Trust
It
me.
will.
Are you the truth, guys? I think the throttle body spacer was on backwards.
You guys want throttle body installs like spacers?
Just hit us up.
Hit me up, bro. Hit me up,
Hit
bro.
everyone up.
I'll install them backwards.
I mean, it's kind of easy to flip though.
Yeah, it's
Like you
really
can't tell. It's the same shit. Oh, I hear the difference. No, I was kidding.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's 500 wheel right there.
Yeah, it's louder. See? See?
Yeah.
No, it's louder. It's louder. Whoa, what the? What up? Damn, everyone's going wild tonight.
Oh, that's perfect, bro.
Red, white, and blue. Not again. Holy shit. Not again. Oh, he almost hit the curb. Sheesh.
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. Watch me drop a gear and disappear. Gotta thank the Lord that I made it here. See the opposition when he's in the